Welcome to this guide on how to see someone's highlights on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you're eager to catch up on your friends' stories, let's dive into the steps. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. This is essential because highlights can only be viewed when you're signed in. Next, navigate to the profile of the user whose highlights you want to see. You can do this by either searching for their username in the search bar or clicking on their name if it appears in your feed or followers list. Once you're on their profile page, you'll see various details about them. Now, look just under their bio section. Here, you will find all the highlights they have created. Highlights are essentially collections of their past stories that they've chosen to keep visible on their profile. This feature allows users to showcase memorable moments or important updates beyond the usual 24-hour lifespan of Instagram stories. When you click on a highlight, it will open up a carousel of stories that are part of that highlight. You can scroll through these stories just like you would with regular posts. This is a great way to engage with content that might have been missed when it was first shared. Instagram has recently updated its features, making it easier for users to access and enjoy highlights from their friends and connections. This means you can now explore more content without the pressure of a time limit. In conclusion, viewing someone's highlights on Instagram via PC is straightforward and user-friendly. By following these simple steps, opening Instagram, navigating to the desired profile, and checking under their bio, you can easily enjoy all the curated memories they've chosen to share. So go ahead and explore those highlights today.